Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature nothing but Bixie and Pixie haircut ideas. So the first one is going to be a play of the mushroom pixie. This of course leaves bangs in the front portion of the hair. And this is a great style option if you want to be able to play around with your hair. You can wear the bangs up or wear them down, and really just kind of create your own type of style. Loving the classic look behind the mushroom pixie. And then we move into this gorgeous purple pixie haircut. Absolutely love this tone. It does have a few pops of pink in it as well. This is a very edgy way to wear the pixie cut. Bold colors are definitely in for 2022. And I really think that this purple pixie is a great play on the use of color. Absolutely gorgeous haircut, and once again she can pretty much maneuver that pixie any way she wants to as far as styling options are concerned. So next up we are going to see this gorgeous asymmetrical style pixie cut. So I did feature 2 pixie haircuts in this video and 2 Bixie haircuts. I also have full videos on nothing but pixie haircuts as well as nothing but Bixie haircuts. Loving this asymmetrical variation of this trend. I think that this is absolutely gorgeous. She does have baby bangs in the front and of course hair longer on one side. And then next up, we are going to see this curly Bixie haircut. So if you are a curly girl and you are looking for more ways to shake up your shorter strands, this curly Bixie is a great option. So if you guys are interested in seeing more Bixie and Pixie hairstyles, be sure to check out those other videos, and I will of course see you in the next one.